Hey, we're out here actually with Down South Hemp with our partners out here, Lloyd and Denny. How you doing today, Lloyd?
Pretty good.
We're actually out here looking at their crops or their plants, and we got a lot of cherries. Lloyd, how many acres did you guys harvesting for this year?
We're going to harvest about 80 to 90. That's
80 to 90.
Planted.
That's quite a big. You know, you guys one of the big ones down here in the state. You know, we're coming down over here looking at the plants and looking to see how everything is grown, and it's a delicate process, and we're noticing some of the stuff, and then we start talking about a little schooling here education wise as we look at some of these other plants, these old ones here, they're having a little bit of an ant problems. If you can look into here, you got a lot of ants that are coming up, you know, so a lot of the other ones could be out there disregarding it, but now we have to do is look and see how, you know, where it's eating in at and why it's doing this. In other words, there's always going to be some kind of a problem that comes up. But going back, and now you guys are kind of plugging it in, and you can see the kind of ants that are around there. So what do you guys do for that, Lloyd?
We're looking into putting bait out.
Bait?
Mm-hmm. With bait, it would actually kill the colony more so than spread them. You know, if you spray it or something like that, we'll look more so into the bait factor of it. Okay. That way we can kill everything at one time. All right. And it might take a little longer, but you actually do away with it. Let's
walk this way. How long is that process whenever you start doing that? I mean, now you're talking 80 acres, and not all of them are like that.
No, it's been very select few places. This field right here is obviously our worst field. And I don't understand why it's on the lower side of the field where it gets, you know, a lot of water. It never really dries out good. But
does it have to do with anything with the cattle that's nearby at all? Or,
that's a great question.
You know, because now I see cattle over there, but you guys are also having some of the ants that are up there on the top, and there's no cattle up there.
Correct.
Are you guys doing the ants also with the plastic?
I haven't seen any with the plastic.
So basically, it can be. Are we looking at that without the plastic? You possibly going to be having the ants, but with the plastic, you might not have those ants.
That's possible.
It's possible.
I really think what got it started is it being so dry for so long. As you can see, it's really wet right now. We had a lot of rain the past week, but it was really, really dry. And I think the ants were looking for some kind of water source, and the plants was obviously a good water source for the roots because they're building their colony right in the root base of these plants and feeding off the plants.
All right, so we'll get show you some more down with the cherries over there on the other side of the road, and we'll be back in shortly.